Welcome to Big Boss Kennel Rockwallers. Yeah, we out here. I'm just videoing the cars. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the dogs. We just gonna be all over the place. Just doing our thing, you know. Babe, what you think? You know.
Oh, this is my favorite car. Two of my
Yeah.
favorite cars. Box Chevy Caprice and the short bed box truck. So, I mean, I love them both.
Yeah, we're gonna start doing a little bit of everything.
Yeah, it's fine. I mean, anything that'll keep the family entertained, you know, in between dog videos and stuff like that. We just want to let you guys insight on our life, what we do outside of, you know, taking care of the dogs and stuff like that. So, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, thumbs up, subscribe button, share our video, comment if you want to comment, and don't forget to also join the raffle, you guys, for a free pup. When we hit 10K subscribers, we will be giving a lucky subscriber, family member, a free pup from us. So, subscribe.
Tickets just $5, y'all.
$5 a ticket.
$5, y'all.
You must call. All the info is down in the description box of every video, so it's there. So give us a call. What y'all think about the cars?
What y'all think? What y'all think about that C10 right there? Bad sucker. What y'all think about that? Yeah, supposed to been doing my car channel. Yeah, I got my 69 Impala. 69. Yeah, it's clean. Oh yeah. Got the Bigg over there. Let's see. Can I see Debo, y'all? Debo. Debo, he playing with that ball. Where he at? Look at him, y'all. He playing with that ball. Like cherry. Oh, here she look, y'all. Mo 3. Here it comes. That's what y'all want to see right there. Debo. Mo 3. Y'all see that box Chevy, man? Some sunroofs, man. Yeah, man. Forges on that thing. Oh, yeah. Hellcats. That's that 69 right there. That's that C10. That's that Regal, man. Yeah, man. Just out here on a Sunday. Fun day. Just chilling. Just chilling, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. It's the clouds. Y'all guys, man, what y'all been up to, man? Y'all chilling, man? Yeah, man. Shit, I got like Black Terry right now. She in the like little emergency room, trying to see why she haven't had a puppy yet. But shit, I mean, I should know something by Monday. And I'll let y'all guys know what's going on. Keep y'all updated. You know, stuff like that. And we'll go from there. Yeah. Everything should be cool. Alright. You know. Shit, you know. It is what it is. But we on these cars today. Yeah, man. What y'all think about this Hellcat right here? What y'all think about that Hellcat, man? Yeah. What y'all think about this box Chevy? Video. Tripping, this is gonna be too far up out of y'all. No, I thought I was tripping. What y'all think about that old box Chevy, man? Box Chevy world, man. I ain't done with it yet, man. Oh yeah, we got a lot of going. I got a lot. You know, I gotta do my front ends and all that. It's on and popping. Yeah, man. Short my rear end on this thing. Got that big boy lip on there. I gotta shorten that rear end. Get it right, man. Y'all guys, y'all love these box Chevy, man. Yeah, man. Let me know. Shit. Let's talk. Talk about these cars, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I'm thinking about rifling this motherfucker off though, man. I'm thinking about it. Yeah, this Hellcat, man. Yeah, man, we got all that shit covered up. Yeah. Big 28s. Big 28s on this box Chevy. Double sunroof. Yeah, I'm still working on this thing. I do my inside. I ain't done with it. I ain't done with it yet. I gotta do my inside. Yeah, man. Got the forged steering wheel. Yeah. Yeah. I ain't done with it yet. Shit, I mean, you know, and then like, you know, some people be asking me, is it for sale? You know, I ain't got no price. I mean, shit. Throw me a price. Throw me a decent price, man, and we can talk. Oh yeah, on any one of them. Throw me a decent price, man. We can talk. You know what I'm saying? I ain't holding on nothing. I mean, shit. Candy paint. I ain't holding on nothing, man. Yeah, I mean, it ain't for sale, but shit, you throw me a decent price, oh, it will be for sale. You know, forge out those, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Let me know. Yeah, man. I got this 69. I know y'all seen that already. That purple one, that C10, and that Regal. That Regal will never be. That right there will never be for sale. I will never sell that. But I'm thinking about wrapping this thing out right here though, with the forge autos. Yeah. Hellcat. Yeah, man. What y'all think, guys? What y'all think about that? What y'all think about that box Chevy, man? Yeah, buddy. Man, my battery about to die, y'all. Man, I'm gonna have to come back on here and shit, my motherfucking battery gone, man. Fuck. Before it die. Shit. Tell me what y'all think about the box, man. Box Chevy, man. If y'all looking to buy, let me know. You know what I'm saying? Let me know, man. It ain't for sale, but it's for sale. You know what I'm talking about? Real talk. Him too. Right, holla at y'all, guys. Get y'all on the next one. Real talk.